Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So today I'm getting ready because we're about to go pick up my husband's truck that he bought yesterday. I'm gonna be going to the DM, to like the motors vehicles place, so we can change it under my name, and I'm gonna prank my husband that I signed the title wrong. I'm gonna go with my brother. I'm gonna lie to him that I signed it wrong, and he knows I would do something like that because he knows that I don't know anything of that stuff. But I'm gonna lie to him, and I just want to see his face. So just stay tuned for the little prank. He's also gonna be doing his as a project truck, so you're gonna see how he builds it. But yeah, it's a really nice truck. So I hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and just keep watching our YouTube channel. Thank you for all the support to all the people that have given us support, and yeah, just keep watching.
Cuñado right now.
I'm pranking my husband. Oh, Eric, I don't want to see that. Alright. Pinche madre, si no es una cosa es otra. Oh my god.
Sandy firmó algo mal en el título y somos que ir otra vez. Pero no somos que ir para mañana, Paloma.
But don't give you the permit? You guys kidding, no se re...
You're so sick.
¿Sabes cómo está? La mamá, así no sabe de ¿Viste que se agüitó luego?
Sí, luego.
You're a truck
Lo agarré estaba en cámara.
Welcome to Chevy Davidson.
Oh, hey, your supervisor lead.
Ay, banana del año.
Ay, no, ahí en el taller.
Are you happy?
Hey, mijo, esas llantas.
Say bye to it. Eric! Bye. Bye. There goes my husband driving the truck. He's so excited, guys, and he's so excited. Oh my god, my windshield. I know it's broken, but let's concentrate on this. So he's really excited. He's gonna be building this truck, and he's gonna make it into his project, and then once he builds it, I think he's want to sell it. I don't know yet, but right now he's so excited. I'm gonna be driving in it with him in a while. It is kind of bouncy, so if you see like the camera bouncing, I'm sorry, but I'm really excited for my husband right now that he did this and he's doing it. And yeah, we'll see how it looks on the inside in a bit. How do you feel, babe? Oh yeah. It's really bouncy. What are your ideas of for this project?
Fix it, sell it, and get a 2020.
Okay.
2021.
Like that one? Like that white one?
Better.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's so bouncy.
Yeah, my mom's shop. This shit's not gonna do it.
It's so bouncy, guys. I don't know. You're gonna have to
Because of the
figure it out.
airbags, not
Really excited for you, babe. I'm really excited for you. So when I was pranking my husband, his face was so serious. Did you really think I did it? He's so concentrated. And this is where you can see it from outside. It's nice, babe. Look at that. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and go ahead and comment down in the section, comment section, so we can go ahead and make more videos. We will have more upcoming videos coming up. Thank you.